Want to make easy, quick, authentic homemade corn tortillas with just a few ingredients? Come with me, I'll show you what to do. You need corn masa flour, not cornmeal and not corn flour. Going in with a little baking soda because it keeps your tortillas tender. Salt, adding in a little flavor. Mix that well. Make sure your hands are absolutely clean. We're going to go in with warm water. You're going to mix this with your hands. You need a soft Play-Doh type of feel to your masa flour dough. All the full measurements and ingredients will be at PAM'Spreps.com. I will link that in the pinned comment and the description. You want this to be pliable like Play-Doh. If you think it's not coming together quite right, you can add just a spoonful of water at a time. And continue to mix. Once it becomes pliable, as you can see, I'm picking up the extra dough, just using the dough ball. Continue to knead it until it's nice and pliable. We're going to knead it just a little bit on our baking mat. Once it all comes together like this and forms a soft ball, you want to break off like a golf ball size piece. Move it around in your hands. Once you do that, you want to pinch it a little bit. If it cracks like that, it's not moist enough. So now, because mine is not moist enough, I'm going to spread it out. I'm going to add just a drop more water and combine that in. Don't worry about it getting on your baking mat because you're going to soak that up with your dough. Okay, after we add that little bit of water, take us off a piece, make it into a ball, and now it's nice and smooth. That's what you want. When I press in, it's not cracking, okay? That's what we want, okay? You want to put it on a plate, and we're going to cover them with a damp paper towel so they can stay nice and moist. Try to make them all the same size so that they will come out pretty even. And here we have 12, 1 dozen made. Keep them covered until you're ready to press and cook. Now we're going to press them. You need plastic wrap. You can use parchment paper, but the plastic wrap releases much easier. Okay. Take a piece, lay it down here on the bottom. Grab one of your masa flour balls. We're going to put another piece of plastic on top. Now, for pressing them down, you don't have a press at home. I don't have one either. I'm using my Smash Burger press. It's flat, as long as you have a flat surface. You can use a heavy-duty skillet as well. You want to press it down firmly and as evenly as possible. Just like that. If it seems a little uneven, you can grab the whole thing, turn it around, because sometimes the part that is next to you will press down a little bit thinner than the part that's further away from you. Press it down like that. You can make these as large or as small as you want. From there, we're just going to take the top off of it. See how easy that's coming off? That's what we want. Get a plate ready with a towel to go over them so that you can keep them nice and pliable. Your skillet needs to be good and hot. You can take a couple of drops of water on your hand, flop it in there, and if it's dancing like that, your skillet is ready, okay? Only press one out at a time. Take it off and sit it in for about 30 seconds. No oil in your skillet at all. You can do more than one at a time if your skillet is large enough, but I find it's easier to do one at a time because while this one is cooking, I'm pressing the next one. Make sure that you keep them covered while they are cooking so that they can stay nice, soft, warm, and pliable. Then we flip it again for about 15 seconds on the next side. See how that's nice and brown? That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. Doesn't this look amazing? Oh my goodness. They are nice and pliable. So when you put your filling in it, you can fold it in half. Delicious. And I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.